Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your portfolio with Behance easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Behance account. Navigate to your profile page where you can see your projects. Click on the Edit Profile button to access your settings. Make sure your profile picture and bio are up to date. Next, go to the Projects section to view your existing works. To add a new project, click on the Create a Project button. Upload images or videos that showcase your work. Use the description box to provide context and details about your project. Include relevant tags to help others find your work. Once you're satisfied with your project, click Publish to make it live. To manage existing projects, go back to the Projects section. Select a project you want to edit or update. Click on the Edit button to make changes. Update the images, description, or tags as necessary. Remember to save your changes before exiting the edit mode. You can also rearrange your projects by dragging them into your desired order. Use the Featured section to highlight your most important works. Regularly review your portfolio to keep it fresh and relevant. Engage with other creatives by commenting on their projects. This can help to grow your network and visibility within the community. Monitor your project analytics to understand what resonates with your audience. Make adjustments based on the feedback and insights you gather. With these steps, you can effectively manage your portfolio on Behance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.